Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to work with files in PHP. As you know, we have methods in PHP for working with files, open it or edit it or delete it. For example, we can create a text file. I created. Its name test.txt. For working with files in PHP, we can use read file function, mm, read file, and inside of it we call the name of the file test.txt. This method gets the content of the text file and show it in the web page. For showing it, we must use echo. Save it. Let's what we write in test file. This is a text file. Let's test in web page. File handling. This is a text file. As you see, the content in the text file is right in the web page. The number in the web page shows the characters that exist in the text file. For working with files, we have another better methods too. For example, we can use fopen. Uh, we must declare a variable file fopen. Fopen is the most useful function for working with files. As you've seen, it have four values for get, file name, mode, and one boolean for use included path. That's by default is false, as you've seen in the explanation of the input. We just work with two two parameters in this function, string file name and string mode. String 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 file name, as its name is for getting file name or including its path or URL that you want from the external servers. I open the function. I just want to use internal for now. I write test.txt. In the mode, we have different type of modes. What is mode? Mode is a character that specifies what we want to do when we open the file. We can read the file, write text or append text, or do all of them. For reading, opening and reading file, we use R. It means that we just want to read the file and don't we have to write it. When we use fopen, we can call an exception named or type. Uh, it means that if file have any problems or uh, the script can't open the file or file not found, it can be give an error for at this moment. Uh, in the message of it, we write unable to open file or file not found. For writing the content of text file, when we opened it, we must call one another function too, named fread. Here I write echo fread. Fread for fread used for files that we opened it. As you see, it have two parameters in it: stream and length. Length for used for length of the text file. In the stream part, we put the file we opened it. I put its variable, and in length we use one another function that named file size, that get the size of the text file. Uh, I must put the text file name test.txt, and let's comment the previous code we write it. Uh, so we comment it and we get back to the browser. We don't need this page, and a open file to open stream. I think I give the name wrong. Uh, yes, it's true. I give the name wrong. It test.txt. Let's test one time more. As you see, we get the content of text file. This method is better for getting the content of file than the previous method. I mean that fopen is better than read file. Read file may cause error in the uh, heavy text files or heavy other formats. For append file, it means that it keeps the value, the content in the text file, and uh, adds some text into it. So it's the today. It's enough for today. In the next video, we are going to work with writing files in the PHP with the fopen function. And thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe.